Spring is coming! This month, I really need to rein in my inner gardener who wants to plant, plant, plant. After all, the groundhog told me spring was coming. Welcome to February, the shortest month that always feels like the longest, to me anyway. This video is part of my monthly series on what I am doing garden wise. And I'm excited to say finally it's out. My comprehensive guide on growing vegetables in Zone 6. 327 pages, covers soil fertility, and has a planting guide for 34 different vegetables. The Amazon link is in the description. You may wonder why I am trying to have this self-control. Well, if we start our seedlings too early and then don't have good weather to plant them outside, they are going to get leggy. Leggy plants are stretching themselves, looking for light. If your seedlings have thin stalks, they are less able to provide nutrients to the leaves and less able to stand straight and tall. One of my February chores is getting my planting area ready. I have been using the grow lights on the houseplants during the winter and for growing my indoor salad greens. Now I need to organize to make seedlings the priority. I wash seed trays and order any new ones or Jiffy planters I may need. I save yogurt containers throughout the year, and I get those out as well. Now is also the time to make sure all your garden tools are clean and ready to go. Sharpen your tools with a good file. Sharpen the edge from front to back at about a 45-degree angle. If the weather cooperates, spread compost on the garden. Don't till it in if your soil is wet. Just let it sit there for now. Late February is when I start pruning for orchard trees, or pruning the orchard trees. I have several videos on growing fruit trees, but I think I need a more comprehensive video on pruning. Pruning is important for fruit development and helps to keep down diseases by allowing good air circulation. Prune out dead branches or broken branches. Remove any branches that are crossing in front of others. Now is also the time to put up bluebird boxes. This bird is your best bud. I have a video on attracting bluebirds to the garden. Two other species that eat a lot of pesky insects are chickadees and barn swallows. Chickadees respond well to nest boxes, however, swallows need more of a covered platform. Do you have a problem with rodents like voles and field mice eating your crops or seeds? Both barn owls and screech owls adapt well to nest boxes and will gladly clean up any rodent issues. Habitat loss is causing their populations to decline in many areas, so nest boxes are appreciated. So, for the past 2 years, we have been working on a native prairie garden at my son's house in Wisconsin. They have been purchasing plants, but I think this year I might start some seeds for them. So this month I'm doing some research on that. We are getting there. Maybe you should take a nap, since soon it'll be time to get busy. Thanks for watching this video. I appreciate you guys. Have a fabulous day and happy planning.